MLB All-Star Week is heading to Los Angeles. And you can get in on the excitement at Capital One Play Ballpark. It's the ultimate interactive fan experience for the whole family. Come down to MLB Live at DTLA from July 16th to the 19th and enjoy the food, games, and appearances by big leaguers and legends. Go to allstargame.com for tickets and more information.
There are so many places to grab a headline, swipe a story, read a quick rundown.
But what does that get you?
There's so much more to the story than just a few short bullet points. KFI AM 640 gives you live local news and what it means to you. KFI brings you the news and digs deeper to help you truly understand. You get the whole story. KFI AM 640. The news, what it means, why it matters.
Hi, I'm Corky at Corky Pest Control. Gophers walk into your property. We eliminate them using carbon monoxide and then put out a repellent to deter them from coming back. We come back every 6 weeks, and if the repellent has worked, we put it out again. If gophers somehow reinfest, we eliminate them and again put out more repellent. Thanks again for choosing Corky's. If you have any pest-related questions, we'll be happy to answer them.
Call 1-800-901-1102 Corky's.
The day after a big holiday usually means heavy traffic. We'll check the usual slow spots starting at 4.
Tomorrow on the KTLA 5 Morning News. Live from the Hilton San Diego Bayfront, it's the Big Bay Boom Spectacular. With your host Kathleen Bay and Raul Martinez. Enjoy the stunning fireworks on display across San Diego Bay, plus a very special performance from Petco Park. The countdown to this year's 4th of July fireworks starts now.
July and happy 246th birthday, America, and welcome to the Port of San Diego's 21st Big Bay Boom fireworks celebration. We're so glad you're here. I'm Kathleen Bay.
And I'm Raul Martinez. What a night it is, folks. Welcome. We are live here at the beautiful Hilton San Diego Bayfront Hotel along the beautiful San Diego Embarcadero in about 30 minutes from now. Get ready. The biggest July 4th fireworks show on the West Coast will light up this night sky.
17 minutes long, and it will be spectacular. And we do have several cameras to capture it all around the bay, on the ground, and in the sky to give you the best view of the fireworks at home. You'll see them from the Embarcadero, the USS Midway Museum, Point Loma, and Coronado.
Oh, and get ready for this. Backed by popular demand, my personal favorite, a live view from the fireworks, of the fireworks from our beautiful drone. It's a pretty cool vantage point that not many people have.
Oh, without a doubt. And here's what we have planned for you tonight. In just a few minutes, we're getting ready to do something truly special with a local service member. She is going to become a U.S. citizen tonight, right before our eyes, Raul. Plus, another thing that took a lot of coordination to pull off is tonight's anthem performance. Our viewers have heard a lot about it, and it's at Petco Park, and you definitely do not want to miss that.
500,000 people are expected to watch tonight's fireworks show along the San Diego waterfront. Actually, I've heard it's actually a little bit more than that this year, but we'll leave it at 500,000 for now. Not to mention the millions more watching on television all across the Golden State. So right now, hey, how about a big hello to everyone watching us, not just here in San Diego, but up in Los Angeles, Bakersfield, Fresno, Sacramento, and also hello to those streaming us online around the world. I want to like to say that. Around the world.
And to give you an idea of exactly where our home base here tonight, there are 4 barges spread out over San Diego Bay. We, Raul, are near the South Embarcadero Barge. The North Embarcadero Barge is near the USS Midway Museum in front of our Heather Lake. Then there is the Harbor Island Barge, and finally, the Shelter Island Barge, all 4 synced up to deliver a spectacular fireworks show.
As much, Kathleen, as we would love to do this by ourselves, come on, we can't. We need our crews out and about. We're checking in with those crews on the ground right now. Doug Koch is in Coronado for us, but Heather Lake live once again on the flight deck of the awesome USS Midway Museum, and we begin with Heather. How you doing, Heather?
Hey, I'm doing good. Here's the deal. Someone said, go out to the USS Midway, have a good time, enjoy a party. You're going to meet lots of new friends. And I said, oh my gosh, this is a party with 3,000 other people. It is quite a party. It's so much fun. I'm going to show you these glasses because I already met a family tonight that gave me these, and they said this is going to make the Big Bay Boom bigger and better than you've ever seen it. So we'll talk to them in just a minute. But I want you guys to see the crowd. So say hello, say hi, Mom and Dad, hi, Grandma, Grandpa, all the things. This is awesome. So if you don't know, the USS Midway Museum, they put on this every year. Now we're back to full capacity. So the flight deck here is 3 football fields long. There are people from the bow to the stern. There's live music. I'm actually getting to see some people that I've seen in years past, and we've all done this as a big tradition. And some new families. So the Silva family, they pulled up right here and they said, you got to check this out. So, all right, you guys, and tell me your name one more time, sir.
George Silva.